would suggest that you weigh this. Once you weigh one of your butter pieces, you will then say, all right, cool, this weighs X, Y, and Z. I did 192 milligrams with this weight. This should be distributed around the 10 of these pieces in this example. I don't know how much time you have to cook as I've explained this to you, but let's just keep going with this. Then you could say, all right, well, this is how many milligrams are inside of this thing of butter. Let's just say in this example that it's roughly 19 milligrams in the whole thing. You're gonna cook whatever you want. Let's do a pasta, because I think that's where I started. I'm always really good at making sauces. Sauces in cannabis are amazing because you can mask your flavor of cannabis without having to worry too much, or you can elevate your experience by using a butter technique to add a nice sheen to your food. So many different ways to do this, but just keep going with this because I have no idea what you're going to cook. Also, if this is helpful, please like it, tell your mother, leave a comment that said, I told my mom, right? And then subscribe. And then tell me what you guys want to see cooked. I'll cook it because I love cooking.